Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making DIY beeswax candles. We are using the recipe on marytylor.com, and there's an actual, I'll put the link below on how to make your own beeswax candles. They sent me their Mary Tylor Naturals certified organic white beeswax pellets. We're only making a little candle. The recipe on the website is how to make like 10 candles. Probably of this size, but we're not going to make that many. I'm only going to make one. This is the Mary Tylor Naturals Certified Organic Cinnamon Essential Oil. And I've used my own. You can use whatever jar you'd like. I saw a couple girls online, watched a couple YouTube videos. I saw them using a bowl even, and I saw them using different wicks. Instead of just a normal candle wick, they used wood wicks, which I thought was really cool. But for now, I am reusing this because I just thought it was super cute. I love the ombre look. Now, I didn't have a wick, so what I did was I made my own. You can find plenty of channels that will show you how to do that. Now, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, the wick. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to get those little metal pieces that hold the wick down. If you don't have that, I'm sure you can come up with something. I mean, this is DIY. Find something to make it stick to the bottom, basically, and not float up. So what I used is I used this little hemp rope that I've had lying around. I originally thought about using wickie sticks, but then I tried to burn them. I don't think that's gonna work. And it just doesn't work out. All right, so the list of ingredients is obviously how many jars you want to do, how much wax you want to do. You're going to need a saucepan or obviously water as well, your essential oil. You're going to need a heat-resistant metal bowl. So now what I'm going to do instead, which is a way, I just saw it done online, which might be a little easier, is I'm going to use water, just heat it up in the microwave. I don't know how well that's going to work. We're going to test it out, all right? All right, guys, I just heated up 1 cup of boiling water. So this might be cheating, I'm not sure, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the beads directly into the candle. So let's open it up. There we go. Okay, so it comes in, I don't know if you can see that, it looks like birdseed almost. Just going to pile this in here. All right, so I filled it up. I've also made a mess. I'm going to add in some of this cinnamon essential oil. Got a little stopper in there, that's nice. Okay. All right, so let's put some drops in there. So this is what we have so far. Okay, so we've got a bunch of pellets, we've got our water. Obviously, I can't fill up this water too much because this is what I'm gonna do. Ready? Ready for the magic idea? Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. Let's see how that works. Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, so it is, let me set a timer. Should we say kitchen timer 2 minutes? Let's see how long it takes. Okay, so it has been 3 minutes, and I don't know whether I'm just impatient or if this method just is not working. So I'm going to reheat the water until I actually physically see it boiling, and then try to work. We're getting there. I feel like it needs to be smushed up. Ugh. Maybe this isn't gonna work. My genius plan. Oh, it's hot. Like, is it melted through? I need to get like a toothpick or something. This is what I get for not following instructions. Oh, it is like melty in there, but it's not melted. Really gonna work with tiny, tiny pieces. Like half of it melted, half of it didn't. And I put foil on the top of it so that it would help it stay warm, and I had to heat up the water multiple times. So I would say go with the original version of getting a metal pot and heating it up over the stove. We have it, we're just gonna wait until it cools off. Well, it looks like it turned out. All we need to do is snip that wick.